vegan Cicada Girl, how would the city have survived without our secret vault of backup sauce? The restaurant industry could have collapsed.
Always happy to help, Mayor. I guess I'll have to catch up with you later.
Katie, it's been so long.
Oh my gosh, 17 years. I was so excited when I heard you're coming back to Lincoln.
I know, it's so good to be back. So, these chairs are nice.
Thank you, thank you.
Did you buy them?
I stole them.
Nice.
Actually, I just bought them at a garage sale a few weeks ago.
Ah,
So, what have you been up to the past 17 years?
well, I mean, you probably remember my parents are both scientists, so we moved to Antarctica to study penguin migration patterns. I was never into science myself, so I found other ways to pass the time. But you?
I was underground.
Great, great. Oh my god, what is that?
Cicada.
It's bigger than I thought it would be. Never seen one before.
Never? Oh my gosh, I have to tell you some cool stuff about them. They live on practically every continent on Earth. Well, I guess except Antarctica, which might explain why you've never seen one before. They live underground in like intervals of 17 years.
Oh,
and
whatever,
then
whatever. You know, it's gross. I wish I never would have cared about this.
Well, I guess a lot's changed.
I'm sure it has. Oh, looks like I have to go.
Already?
Well, so you can say I have another welcome back campfire to get to.
Well, bye. See you around, maybe?
Okay, we'll see you. A building burnt, the town in shambles. I'm terrified. The whole town is terrified. Who is this arsonist and where will they strike next?
Arson.
Stop, villain!
We're on a first name basis, Katie. You don't have to call me villain.
Quinn?
Obviously.
When I said things had changed last night, I didn't realize it was this much.
It's hardly a change. I mean, it's been this way since like the second I moved to Antarctica. I had to find something to do there.
So then why are you back? Just to set fires to your hometown?
Trying to dismiss me as a simple arsonist, Katie? That's low. So much more than that. Take this building, for instance. A regular arsonist would just burn it down for fun, but I burn it down based on principle. I mean, look at this space. There are like no walls anywhere, it's just one big room. How are people supposed to have classes here? It sounds just so distracting. This whole building is just like a glass box with so many issues of privacy. People can just like see right in. As an architecture enthusiast, I believe in a clear separation between interior and exterior spaces. And this space doesn't have that.
Okay, but a lot of buildings in this area suffer from the same problems. Why this building specifically?
Not to make this about you, but like I know you took classes here. Is this supposed to hurt you?
Well, it does. The Carson Center is a beautiful place where students can come to create art and film. But why me specifically? Quinn, I thought we were friends.
All your weird bug stuff last night made me realize something, you know? A while ago, my parents were working on some like sciencey insect thing, and yeah, I realized they made you this. The time frames match up. 17 years
Underground? Yes, it's true. Right before your parents left to go to Antarctica, they gave me a chance to use their technology to become the thing I loved the most. Bugs, a cicada, who I am today. As long as I followed one condition, I would stop serial arsonists from destroying the city.
I always knew they were reading my diary.
And here I am today.
And here I am.
I made a promise to your parents to protect this city from serial arsonists, and friend or not, I have to stop you.
Well then, my parents are gonna be really disappointed. Are you going to kill me?
I'm no cicada killer.
Life will be someday. This isn't the last of me.